Campanelli, the first family of clean. This is a special one. If you've never discovered Campanelli, we've got a lot to show you. I discovered Campanelli, I took it home, and then I'm like, oh my God, I'm hooked. They have the best towels. Their towels are so different. This is the Loopy towel. It's a 6-piece set. We're gonna use it for so many things, right? Your iPads, your phone, cleaning, all the things. The colors are exclusive to QVC, and it includes the 6x6. You use them so much. 2 9x9s and 2 12x12 towels. So it is a set of 6. You use it all over the house, and you wash it as well. All right, let's go through color choices, and I love that. We have it in, is this denim?
That's denim.
Okay, here it is in that blue denim. We also have it, oh, I've never seen chocolate.
Yeah.
I love all the different sizes. And then do we have sage?
The other two are actually waitlisted, so that's what we have currently available.
Oh, that is all
right
we
now.
have?
Yes.
Oh, okay, final 2 options.
Yeah.
I love that. The denim and also chocolate. All right, Kylie Watts bringing us great innovative solutions.
I know, so let me tell you about this really quickly too, because the Campanellis have been here for over 2 decades. They've sold 32 million microfiber towels, and they are the masters of it when it comes to that. But this was the towel that they usually have right here, and what they do, I'm gonna give you their secrets, is they make this towel, they make extra long fibers, they shear them off, and it opens up like a dandelion. But what it did was left a little bit of lint behind. So these are great to clean, but when it comes to something like polishing your electronics, your phones, your touch screens, what our friends at home wanted was something that left literally not one speck of lint or dust or anything. And that's how the Loopy towel was born. They took extra long microfiber fibers, looped them back into the towel themselves to create almost like a French terry towel, but made out of microfiber. And what that does for you, Nance, is that means literally you can use them dry, that when you have the high touch things with all the little handprints on here, all you have to do is wipe this towel. I'm just going to do half.
My iPad is that smudgy and dirty, by the way.
Exactly. Well, they all are. And look at the difference from what you had before at the top to the after down below. We didn't use any chemicals. We didn't use any cleaners. We didn't use anything like that.
Sparkling.
We simply use the towel. So for your phones, your tablets, your iPads, your TVs.
You don't have to put any water on it, just like it wipes
your glasses. It's the perfect towel for all of those things.
So good. What is that like loopy like fabrication that makes it so special? It's
so
like
that's literally them just taking that fiber, looping it back in the towel themselves, and you'll see it in this animation that creates a completely lint-free experience. So again, with regular microfiber, they're extra long fibers, but they could leave some lint behind. The Loopy towel lifts, traps, and removes all of the touches, the smudges, all of that, but literally there will not be one speck of lint left behind.
Oh, look at that.
So all of the glass surfaces, even your windows, it's perfect for those. We always say
it's super gentle too.
Yes.
Not scratching.
Exactly. So you see how it's lifting, trapping, and removing. But the key with the Campanelli line is you're not going to throw these out. You're not going to go back to the store and buy more and more. They're all about helping us get rid of those disposable products. You're going to wash these, just no fabric softener, dry them on low to no heat, and they'll be good for years and years and years.
And you're getting 6-piece set. You got small ones, you got big ones, you got big, medium ones, and then like where would you be able to like take even your most delicate, most expensive TV screens, right?
Well, and you think about your eyeglasses too. So the small ones actually fit perfectly in the glass case, which is amazing.
You get 2 of the small ones.
Yes, you can constantly keep them on there. Sunglasses, regular glasses. You don't have to worry about scratching anything, and it's way better than grabbing your shirt and trying to clean it that way. But to your point, I'll head over here because this is one.
Just a little bit of water?
A little bit of water.
Yeah.
So let me grab one of the bigger ones right here because you never want to spray anything directly on your
chemicals
electronics.
either.
Exactly. So I'm just going to give it a couple little spritzes of water right here.
That is one dirty screen.
H2O, that's it. And I'm just going to go to town cleaning a little bit of this right here. So I don't know how the TVs at home get the fingerprints on them.
The kids
but
coming to the screen and doing this.
Right, and look at the difference from what we had before to what we have after, simply using water. And again, we're gonna wash, we're gonna reuse these, we're gonna use them over and over again. And on your glass surfaces, like your windows, instead of using that blue chemical cleaner and spraying it all over, all you have to do, a little bit of water on the towel first, polish them up, and your windows will be sparkling and beautiful.
People love Campanelli. Now I am a Campanelli convert. There's only 2 colors left. This is under $20. $6.66 gets this home.
Yeah, they're amazing.
We've got all these choices of sizes. These are great for the eyeglasses, the medium ones, and then we got the large ones as well. 2 colors remaining. We have it in chocolate and denim. All right, Kylie,
Yes, I
keep
love
going.
the small for the eyeglasses, the medium I personally use in the car for the touch screens,
Yeah.
the bigger ones
You
I would
always
say.
need it for car,
Yeah.
for cleaning, for everything.
Here we go, laptops right
6
there.
pieces.
Again, you literally just wipe this off, and this is that kind of messy fingerprints that we have right here. We're clean, we're polishing, we're protecting, we're not using any chemicals
it's like picking it
whatsoever.
up.
Yes, and you can see how it's doing a beautiful job of getting rid
else
of
are
all
you
that
using?
zero lint left behind too.
Yeah, I used to use those like other like cotton towels and other kind of things. And this one you can wash it and it's not scratching and it's so gentle too.
It is. They're amazing towels. They're one of my favorite ones from the Campanelli family.
All right, let's head to France.